Hello guys, I am Mohammed Amin Hakim. I hope you all are doing well. And today's video we speak about the 4 best affiliate marketing tips to make more money. So let's get right into the video. In the last video, I spoke about the 3 best affiliate marketing tips to make more money. First, you have to build the trust with your clients and your audience when you promote great products. And if you can't promote great products, you have to promote at least good products. Second, you have to promote digital products because digital products have far better commission rates than physical products. Third, you have to promote digital products with recurrent commissions. In this video, I will speak about another important tip to make more money. You have to choose the right niche. The most profitable niches are wealth, health, and relationships. In conclusion, if you want to make more money, you have to promote great digital products with recurring commissions with the right niche. What about you? What do you think? Let me know in the comments.